Okay, now let's analyze the second topic together. Emerging markets become the driving force of global economy. What opportunities have today KLSE index adjustments reviewed? Okay, the Malaysia stocks market. Currently, the KLSE index shows an interesting pattern. What type of interesting pattern is this? Now, it often tends to hold back after reaching new highs. Do you all notice that, right? Whenever the index hits a new peak, some firms tend to sell off and leading to an adjustment in the index, right? So today, after the KLSE index fell, it quickly rebounded to the opening position by the end of the section, right? Indicating that currently confidence in markets by investors. However, in terms of stocks, I'm mentioning particularly in technology sectors, okay, there was a significant adjustment. Some of the tech stocks we have been focusing on also experience a certain degree of decline, right? If you guys monitor now. So now the question remains, can tech stocks stabilize and rebound back? Can or cannot? And according to dimensional forecast, emerging market countries, especially Asian economies like Malaysia, China, India, all these countries have shown significant economic growth rates in the recent year, which is surpassing those developed countries. So according to the latest reports from International Monetary Funds, IMF, okay, Malaysia economy grew by 12.2% year-on-year in the first quarter of 2024, now, which is already exceeding market expectation. So Malaysia did it even better than the market expected. Now, this growth was mainly driven by increased consumer spending and a rebound in export. Now, looking ahead, it is forecast that Malaysia economy will grow by 4.3% for the full year of 2024 and at 4.5% in 2025. So historically, Malaysia economy has experienced a fluctuation, but has shown an overall growth trend in the recent year, right? So, for example, in 2022, the country economy grew by 8.7%, the highest in 22 years, which is driven significantly by the recovery in service and manufacturing sectors. Okay, now, have you all noticed that this type of rapid growing economies are providing crucial movements for global economic growth? The IMF predicts that Asia will account for nearly half of the global economic increase in 2034. And this is why you can see that emerging market countries are transitioning their economic growth models from a traditional agriculture and primary exports to manufacturing and service-driven sectors also can, right? Now, let me give you an example. For example, China, all right? China has become a global manufacturing hub and a world second largest economy, right? Now, as we enter the era of artificial intelligence, the application of semiconductor chips will become even more widespread. And Malaysia ranks the sixth globally in semiconductors export, which is contributing in 7% to the global semiconductor trade. Now, Malaysia has made significant achievement in information technology, artificial intelligence, and new energy sectors, right? So, have you noticed that this transformation not only enhance the economic competitiveness of this nation, but also promotes the reshaping of global industry and the value chain? Do you all notice this? If yes, give me some response. Okay, now regarding to the market adjustment in technology, I believe that it presents an opportunities for entering or adding position. As Warren Buffett once said, undervalued companies are worth buying. Right? Do you guys agree? If yes, please reply with a yes. Okay, I think most of you agree, right? So when high quality stocks experience corrections, some high quality stocks may become oversold due to the market sentiment, right? Thereby offering us opportunities to buy at undervalued price. Now, when institutional investor looks for company with strong fundamental and a stable profitability, but undervalued stocks price for a strategic position. Do you like to invest in such a company? Definitely, right? You want to invest in company with strong fundamentals, stable profitability, and it is undervalued right now. So during sectors rotations, opportunities are often seized early by institutional investors. With performance varying widely across different industries. For example, sectors that has been previously seen a significant gains may face a correction pressure. Understand, right? While those that have underperformance or are supported by policies may present a rebound opportunities. So, as individual investor, I believe that it's wise, it's smart to monitor trends in sectors rotation and adjust your investment portfolio accordingly to it. Today, so market adjustment often accompanied by fluctuation in the investor sentiment. And as the market sentiment gradually recovers, quality stocks sold during the pandemics may rebound. And this is the reason today's correction in tech stocks shouldn't cause undue concern. Okay, now here is the big question. What types of sectors should we focus on tomorrow? Besides construction and technology stocks, Dimensional Funds Pro system has also observed movement in plantation stocks. Yeah, foreign investors are now considering ESG, which is environmental, social, and governance risk. Understand? This is stands for ESG. Now, along with concern about the EU regulations on forest lodging, the Malaysia plantation stock seems to be accumulating attractiveness for institutional investors to position in the second half of the year. Now, issues with structural palm oil supplies and rising demands for biodiesel in Indonesia could potentially push crude palm oil price higher in 2025. Okay, and I also observed that the trading volume of 5012, which is 5012, the code, okay, TAANN, has been gradually decreased in short terms, but the stock price has stabilized above the moving average. And now, this is a good opportunity, okay? You should learn now to add this particular stocks 5012. Okay, 5012 to your watch list and await for further instruction from the assistant for buying opportunities tomorrow. Okay, everyone understand? Okay, the code is 5012 and the name is TAANN. Okay, give me your response. Okay, very good. Okay, remember to put on your watch list. All right, next, let's discuss our next strategy layout. Today, construction stocks have once again been a key support for the market. Stocks like WCP, EcoWorld, which were highlighted last week, right, continue to reach new highs again today. So our construction smart AI trading has once again utilized advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze market data and also to predict price trends and execute trading strategy effectively in construction stocks such as like Suncon and Gamuda. So as you can see in the current volatile upwards market, engaging in swing trading or intra trading can be significantly enhance your profit, right? So now I would like to ask, how many of our scholars here have already received 5,000 trial bonus from our partners and already started engaging in AI trading? Let me see how many of you. Okay, so scholars who have traded with AI in the past few days, please reply with a yes. And for those who haven't yet, reply with a not yet. Okay, I just want to see how many of you. Right. So looking seeing that most of the scholars have replied yes, and some are still in the progress, right? Okay. Now, our exclusive profit recovery plans utilize AI system, big data analysis, and linear regression evaluations models, which is setting a target of achieving a 22% profit recovery within 10 trading days. Now, as we already passed 4 days into this, our partners have launched the 5,000 trial bonus activities, which can be used for experiencing AI trading. Now, which is also allowing our scholar to gain profits from trial trades. So from Monday to today, AI trading was used to achieve a 22% profits within 10 days through swing trading, right? Which is the operation methods of buying low and selling high. So the stocks that we were trapped in an early stage that we operate by swing trading, right? 5028, right? Here's the battle 0203, S metric, and 5306 FFB, and among others as well. All these have already achieved a break-even profit through swing trading, right? And the AI trading has also boosted profits from intra-trades in construction stocks. But however, our current PAC stocks holdings haven't yet turned into profitable. Mainly is because that due to the recent capital concentration in construction stocks and the impact of US tech stocks decline on Malaysia tech stocks performance. But with more funds flowing into the emerging market and the market attention shifting due to the tech stocks decline, I believe that there will be more opportunities to buy tech stocks at lower price in the future. Now, and tech stocks in hand can be profitable for through our swing trading. Then, of course, our path ahead may have challenges, right? But with our consistent focus on profitability, liquidity, and risk management, I believe that FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI Index will continue its upward strategy despite fluctuation. So, and dimensional, we have also increased our investment in Malaysia market. And I believe that with capital driving it, confident that PAC technology stocks will stabilize and after that will rebound. So we remain committed to demonstrating strength through actual trading. All right, now regarding AI trading, the 6,000 slot trial bonus quota is now actually limited. And scholars who haven't received their trial bonus, go after class, go to contact the assistant and try to claim it. All right. Those who understand, please give me a response by saying a yes. Okay, now, so move on to our third topic, which is AI training bots beats professional trader, which is outperforming professional traders. Can AI trading always achieve positive returns in the stocks market or not? Okay, now let's talk about this. Okay, now scholars who have received the trial bonus, I believe that through these days of AI trading, you have already experienced the convenience of AI trading, right? So currently, AI trading has gathered significant attention in the investment market, in the investment world. Now, recently, verified by trading records on MyFX books and a third-party validations have shown that a new artificial intelligence trading robot generate a return of 38,000 from 5,000 investment. And also, starting from January 23, 2024, reading with an initial investment of just 1,000. Okay, 1,000. This AI robot demonstrates its value again. which is by June 11, 2024, it made a profit of 5,600, turning a 1,000 investment into 5,600, which is attracting global traders' attention and sparkling interest and curiosity, right? So these special robots embrace cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, which is showcasing its capabilities through accurate market trends prediction, and autonomous trading. So through these days of AI trading experience, I believe that scholars, all of you, have also discovered that AI is very different from traditional investment, right? Now, AI trading operates based on market condition and predefined algorithms, enabling sequence trading, achieving a substantial profit. Well, it operates around the clock, ensuring no trading opportunities are missed. And this is what human can't do, right? On the other hand, for traditional investment, require manual purchase and holding of assets for longer periods with less active management, thereby typically yielding in a lower returns over a short-term periods compared to AI trading, right? So now AI offers the advance of automated trading, which is require less continuous monitoring. Then this is why giving ordinary investor a chance to achieve a higher returns. Okay, now let me share this with all of you. All right, I found it very interesting. Now, because why is now the era of thin scale eruption, the era of AI full scale eruption? Okay, let me share this with all of you. An experienced American journalist put it this way. Okay, this is from an experienced American financial journalist. Okay, it's an American financial journalist. She put it this way. Okay, now if you like staring at the charts all days, skipping bathroom breaks, manually trading, and observing all the market news, then AI isn't for you. But if you are like me, preferring to enjoy life while growing your asset through investment, then AI trading can help you. I am not concerned that professional traders might say we have an unfair advantages. I just like seeing profit rolling in. So I relax and let the AI do all the hard work. And this is what the journalist said. So the initial purpose of AI development is to serve humanity and to improve our life, right? So for example, as mentioned yesterday, drones and automatic driving. Now, for drones, they can monitor crop health in agriculture, which is using multispectral cameras to detect disease and also nutrition shortage. The drone also can precisely spray insect repellents and also give fertilizer. Now, this is to increase the efficiency and also reducing environmental impact, right? So after natural disaster, drones can quickly provide real-time image and also videos of the disaster areas of the condition of the scenario, right? And after they provide this, what does it do? It reduces the personal asset situation, which means reduce the risk of the human, and also formulate a rescue plan. And after formulating a rescue plan, it deliver emerging supplies such as like medicine, food, water, right? And this is how AI has advanced into. And also in investment trading, AI can automatically formulate and execute trading strategy based on extensive historical data, and not only historical data and real-time market condition. Which is like, even when we are resting or unable to monitor market trends, AI trading system can continue running, capturing trading opportunities and improve the accuracy and effectiveness of risk management. Okay, after my explanation, do you have a better understanding? If yes, please give me a response. Okay, just now we talked about risk management, right? So regarding risk management, for example, on Tuesday, AI Training Construction Smart issue a stop loss sell added on IGM, right? I have told all of you before. Now, this is because AI trading system judged that the support level might be inefficient, right? So it chose to immediately sell with a small loss of 0.8%, which is reducing the impact of human emotion on trading decision, thereby enhancing trading efficiency and execution capability, right? Okay, now, and for today, Construction Smart Investment Startup issue a buy order or fair. This is today, 5263 Suncon, all right, which yielding a profit of 1.8%. Okay, it's important to mention that AI tradings generally involve slightly higher fees than regular trading because of the increased computational cost of associated with AI data analysis. Okay, and after that, not only Syncon, all right, in the afternoon or so, Construction Smart Investment Startup execute a buy and sell trade for 5398 Gamuda, which is yielding a profit of 3.18%. So when an AI robots establish position in Gamuda, they utilize a professional super trend calculator, right? Which is indicator designed to provide trades with data-driven insight into financial market price movement. This is primarily involved in analyzing historical price data and making probabilistics of forecasts about future price direction. All right, now, as I mentioned yesterday, AI trading can swiftly gather the latest market information. Like for Gamuda, Gamuda has already secured the Australian Metronet HCS system project, which is valued at approximately 5 billion in ringgit. And this project will last for 10 years. So with Gamuda expecting revenues of 747 Aussie dollar, which is approximately 2.3 billion in ringgit. So all this new and everything about this, now the think about it, now investor or individual investor sitting at home and analyze information before even they decide whether to buy a stocks or not. AI trading has already executed transactions swiftly, thereby leveraging technology to bring convenience to our investment activities. All right. Let's move on. Okay, now. All right, now we are in our fifth topic, which is trend-oriented and prioritizing capital momentum trading, part 2. Okay, you guys remember last night? Last night I explained that an increase in volume with stable price are bullish signal. And okay, this is the first thing, okay? And increase in both volume and price are buying signal, right? One is bullish signal, one is buying signal. It's different. Okay, now let's review this again. An increase in volume with stable price, all right, means that trading volume is slowly increasing while the price remains relatively unchanged. Okay, now we can observe the change in trading volume and the price in the chart, right? So during the sideways phase, the price gradually adjusts without reaching new highs, but the trading volume slowly increases. Okay, as you can see, the price is unchanged, almost unchanged, but the volume slowly increase, right? Okay, so if the trading volume was previously low and the price did not change, a sudden surge in the volume along with a large bullish candlesticks indicates that substantial institutions are buying at this point. So subsequently, the stock's price rise steadily. And at this time, we need to look at the stock's fundamentals and industrial prospect, not just by looking at this and then you enter the market, all right? You have to understand the stock's fundamental as well, the industrial prospect as well. Now, if there is no issue, that is time for you to buy and enter the market and follow the institution to profit. Okay? Now, this is for increase in volume with stable price. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Now, here is where we come to an increase in both volume and price is a buy signal, which means volume increase, price also increase. Equal a buying signal. Now, we include as a buy signal. This buy signal is stronger. This buy signal is stronger than the one stable price and increased volume. So this means that trading volume continued to rise and the stock's price also starts to rise, right? And this is the best buy signal for medium terms and short terms trades. Now, if you can buy on the bottom of the rise, this means that you are in a very safe zone. The safety factors is very high because the signal strengthens, the signal strength is greater than that of a stable price with increased volume. Understand? Now, this is also the reason why our opening position can be also larger than the stable price and increased volume signal, because this signal is even stronger. Okay, everyone following along? If yes, please give me a response by a yes. Okay, very good. Understand, right? It's actually very simple. Okay, now let me give you an example, all right? Now, for this one, after an extended period of consolidation at the bottom, Now, as you can see, after a period of consolidation at the bottom, the market breakout of its range on a particular day. Then at the same time of the breakout, the trading volume at the bottom surge went up, right? As you can see, here is the consolidation phase. And suddenly the volume went up because of this breakout, right? I said, which means that this increase in both volume and price often indicates that large institutions are starting to enter the market and absorb shares. So after a period of consolidation, the markets begins to rise sharply, same like the example on this 5264. As you can see, after the breakup, you can enter the market. And if there is any pullback, such as like here, this is what we call pullbacks, right? If there is any pullback, don't be panicked, because sometimes the post breakup declines is because the pullback is because of institutions are trying to fake selling, right? Because to induce panic amongst retail investors. It goes down a little bit, a lot of investors are panicking, then they sell off. This is what institutional investor technique to shake up investor before they push the price to go up. Understand? Now, as we can see here, this is a great example. After the pullback, it shoot up, right? This is how institution investor to do the market, right? Now, we also can use trading volume to combine with moving average as well, or Fibonacci retracement lines to make judgment. All right, and of course, I understand that sometimes retail investors cannot distinguish whether institutions are really selling all or are just checking out of weak hands, right? But AI trading can utilize power data flows to identify this. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Okay, for today, let's learn a new technical point, which is stable volume and rising price, which means continued buying, which means sustained buy interest, right? Stable volume with rising price, which means continue buying interest. Stable volume with rising price means that the trading volume remains almost unchanged without a significant fluctuation, but the price continued to rise. Okay, let's look at the chart right now. Let's look at here. You can appropriately increase your position. Now, let me tell you how, okay? The trading volume at the bottom, you see, as you can see, remains almost unchanged, right? Does you see any changes? Almost unchanged, right? Without a significant fluctuation. While the price continued to rise, as you can see, it's slowly, steadily going up, right? But the volume is unchanged, but the price is steadily, slowly going up. Now, at this moment, you can increase your position, which is deciding the extent of increase based on the current price of the individual stocks and the distance from the bottom. So as shown as this chart, the particular stocks of this price is slowly rising from the bottom, while the trading volume remains almost unchanged. After a surge in volume on a particular day, the stock's price started to rise significantly, right? As you can see. So this means that buying shows that buying interest, right? Okay, now let's look at the fourth time, which is decreasing volume with rising price. Suggest continue holding. Decreasing volume means volume going down, decreasing volume. If the price rising means continue holding. All right. Okay, let me explain why. Decreasing volume with rising price means that trading volume is decreasing while the price is increasing. It's easier that. So my recommendation for this scenario is to hold your position without adding now and adopt a wait to see approach. As you can see on the chart here, right? Now, you can observe that the volume is getting below. It's decreasing comparing to before, right? It keep on going down, going down, going down. Now, while the price continue to climb up, as you can see, right? Can you see the difference? Why does decreasing volume with rising price happen? Why can this happen? One of the possible reasons is significant control by institutional investor, often refers to as heavy institution holding. What is heavy institution holding? Which means that when institutions hold substantial position, there are fewer sell order, right? And without significant selling, large volumes cannot be generated. So in such situation, I suggest holding on to the stocks without adding more position into it. Okay, now, do you understand the difference? If yes, please give me a response. Okay, now, this is the fifth point, which is decreasing volume with stable price, suggesting that a warning to stay cautious. All right, here, stay cautious. Warning, right? Decreasing volume with stable price. Now, this means that trade volume is decreasing while the price remains with a certain range without much fluctuation. And this is particularly concerning when it happens at a high level. Why? Means that at high levels, decreasing volume suggests a fading interest. Okay, fading interest, which means that can lead to a quick downturn. So as you can see on the chart here, the volume decreasing, right? This is an Amazon stocks, I remember. Right? We take it as an example. As you can see also, it consolidates at the high level. If volume decrease after a surge and continue to decline, but the price is somewhere stable. Now, in this situation, when this situation occurring at high levels, as we mentioned, demands careful attention. This is a signal of warning, all right? It's a signal of warning. While the price hasn't dropped yet, the enthusiasm of the stocks has already started to fading. And once enthusiasm fades, there won't be a support from a new influx of capital. And after that, a correction or even a rapid decline may follow, right? So, as you can see, there is a rapid decline after that. So that's why it's wise to be vigilant. Consider reducing position or adopt a wait to see approach in advance. Understand? Now, after the warning, it eventually went down.
什么时候可以买呢？看这根阳线，收盘一天的3倍及以上，这种成交量称为巨量，说明这一天有大量的人进行交易，又是在底部，所以这种交易大概率是散户在抛售，主力在吸筹。抛售结束的位置就是底部确认的位置。如何进行判断呢？当后期的成交量再次缩小到这根巨量1/3以下的时候，说明交易进入到冰点，主力高度锁仓，这就是底部的重要特征。而底部是一个区域，我们要买的是一个点。如何买在底部的加速起涨点呢？点赞往下看。该股票经过一波上涨后展开震荡下跌，追看这根阴线展开破位下跌，成交量是前一天的3倍，这就是巨量，说明有大量的散户在卖出。随后股价继续震荡下跌，成交量缩小到巨量的1/3以下，交易达到冰点，底部确立。此时不要急于买进，什么时候可以买呢？看这根阳线， 收盘价站上巨量阴线的收盘价，对应成交量放大，买点确认，随后股价开始加速拉升，你成功做到了买的低。股票在下跌的过程中收出这样一根大阴线，这根阴线的成交量要求是前一天的3倍及以上，这种成交量称为巨量，说明这一天有大量的人进行交易，又是在底部，所以这种交易
The
大概率
scholar
是
who
散户在
understand
抛
this
售，
point,
主力在
please
吸筹。
reply with a OK. Alright, and due to time limitation, non-momentum trading will be covered in this Sunday night section. Alright. Okay, now we will announce the answer. I will announce the answer of the homework assigned last night. So for the first question, A, B, C, D, which means all of the above is correct. Why? Because AI can collect large amounts of high quality data from financial data providers, stocks exchange, new website, company website, social media platforms, and government official website. So all of these answers are correct. So congratulations to those who have answered it correctly. Wait now, for this, the answer to the second question, all right, which is which of the following is a type of reversal pattern? A is correct, B is correct, C is correct, but not D. So we have already covered double bottom and double top in previous lesson, and head and shoulders bottom is also an important reversal pattern. And regarding option D, some scholars have asked a question about it because rectangles, okay, rectangles are consolidation patterns used in technical analysis to describe periods where market price fluctuates within a certain range, all right, which is lacking a clear trend. And the stock price oscillates within a range, such as like in rectangular patterns, where it moves between horizontal supports and resistance line, forming all rectangular areas, but it doesn't know where it's going. And this is usually indicates that buying and selling force are actually balanced, making it difficult to determine whether the price will rise or will fall and continue to fluctuate. And this is why option D is not a reversal pattern. All right, scholars who understand this, please reply with yes. And for those who don't understand, please or confused, please reply with no. All right, I see some scholars are still not quite clear. Wait, that's why I put this chart over here, all right? This is to explain to all of you. This is a MyEG stocks in. So you can see that from around September 2023, as I remember, to April of this year was in a rectangular consolidation range. So during the consolidation range, which is, okay, for example, let's say here, where I draw the rectangle, as you can see, can you guys know that whether it's going up or whether it's going down just by looking at this? In this area, purely looking at the technicals without considering fundamental factors, how can we know that if the price would rise or would go down? Right? Indeed, it's difficult to make judgment at these periods and also these periods as well. So in rectangular consolidation range, it's uncertain whether a reversal will happen or not. So like for example, here, with a large candlesticks, as you can see here, a large candlesticks, right? When a large candlestick broke through this rectangular. And then now we know that where is the trend going, right? So the stocks fluctuation within the rectangular make it impossible to determine the subsequent direction. So for these rectangles is not a correct answer. Okay, now do you guys have a better understanding? If yes, please reply with a yes. You need something to break through or break down, then only you can know whether it's going which direction. Okay, about the 9, there is also 2 multiple choice question. So after class, all scholars can send their answer to our assistant, and I will announce the correct answer in the class on Sunday night. All right, Sunday night is a very important class, so please attend Sunday night. Now, scholars who answer correctly can earn points and accumulate points. 10 actually leads to a valuable prize. That's why I always give all of you homework, right? Now, more importantly, it will increase your investment skill. Okay, for the first question, what are the difference between AI trading and ordinary trading? Correct answer can be more than one option. All right, remember this. Now, the second question, in the W bottom patterns, what is a strong bullish reversal signal? Okay, and this second question is a review of our previous knowledge. All right. Today in lesson, actually, I have already shared a lot of information with all of you, and to ensure all scholars to have a deep understanding of Fibonacci retracement, I have provided a detailed explanation using stocks in both upwards and downwards trend. And the technical tutorial will be sent to assistant.
好，杰尼库宝宝的老公今天出院了哈。OK，好，我们希望大家的家人呢健健康康，好不好？好，然后我们还有林赛龙宝宝晚上好，晚上好 ，Daniel。OK，好，很开心我们今晚又哦，哎，今天行情如何？宝宝们有没有赚到钱？有赚到钱的宝宝呢，在留言区写下你的股票号码。0062 ，How is this stock？Pauline 问啊，0062，今天上涨了15%。你来到青色线有没有来到青色 现呢，应该是有来到应该是有来到青色线，有没有来到青色线呢？应该是有来到 青色线，有没有来到青色线呢？应该是有来到。
筹码，让资金动向尽在掌握之中。独创的3红战法让交易更加直观简单，大赚小赔永不被套，轻松把握股市动向，从此投资不再迷茫。为什么你学了很多方法，却依然做不好股票？为什么你的交易总是不够精准？其实原因很简单，因为你总站在2维的角度去分析3维的市场。分析市场绝对不仅仅是靠量价关系，更重要的是看清趋势方向、资金流向和主力动向。3维分析让你的交易更加精准。如何做到3维分析？今天给您介绍一个非常简单，但是又特别强大的指标模板——万能套利模板，买点、卖点、加仓点一目了然。万能套利模板适用于各种周期和各种市场，一键触达，高效便捷。不管您是新手还是老手，不管您做长线还是短线，万能套利模板都能完美契合您的需求。万能套利模板由3个指标构成：顺势而为趋势王，先知先觉背离王主力行为，六彩神龙。趋势永远是股票投资的核心问题，搞懂趋势，你还怕赚不到钱吗？股票市场中主要存在3种运动方向：上升趋势、 下降趋势、横盘无趋势，市场中赚钱，选对关键。趋势网以道氏理论为依据，主要为投资者展现趋势的运行方向和当前趋势的运行状态。趋势网由3种颜色构成，让股票分析从此变得简单直观。紫色主线上升趋势，绿色主线下降趋势。红色道是 K 线短期上升趋势，绿色道是 K 线短期下降趋势。趋势形成以后，会以其无比强大的惯性保持价格的原方向运动，但趋势中有终结的一天，在趋势终结之前，会在价格指标上表现出不同步的现象。背离网反映了资金流进流出的状况，使用背离网可以提前让我们知道当前趋势是否有可能终结。在股票市场中，量价相互制衡，价格的高低影响着成交量的多少。成交量的多少验证并影响价格趋势的变化。六彩神龙主要将市场中的筹码分为3类：获利筹码、套牢筹码、浮动筹码，让资金动向尽在掌握之中。独创的3红战法让交易更加直观简单，大赚小赔永不被套，轻松把握股市动向，从此投资不再迷茫。为什么你学了很多方法，却依然做不好股票？为什么你的交易总是不够精准？其实原因很简单，因为你总站在2维的角度去分析3维的市场。分析市场绝对不仅仅是靠量价关系，更重要的是看清趋势方向、资金流向和主力动向。3维分析让你的交易更加精准。如何做到3维分析？今天给您介绍一个非常简单，但是又特别强大的指标模板——万能套利模板。买点、卖点、加仓点一目了然。万能套利模板适用于各种周期和各种市场，一键触达，高效便捷。不管您是新手还是老手，不管您做长线还是短线，万能套利模板都能完美契合您的需求。万能套利模板由3个指标构成：顺势而为趋势王，先知先觉背离王主力行为，六彩神龙。趋势永远是股票投资的核心问题，搞懂趋势，你还怕赚不到钱吗？股票市场中主要存在3种运动方向：上升趋势、下降趋势、横盘无趋势。想要在市场中赚钱，选对方向是关键。趋势网以道氏理论为依据，主要为投资者展现趋势的运行方向和当前趋势的运行状态。趋势网由3种颜色构成，让股票分析从此变得简单直观。紫色主线上升趋势，绿色主线下降趋势。红色道是 K 线短期上升趋势，绿色道是 K 线短期下降趋势。趋势形成以后，会以其无比强大的惯性保持价格的原方向运动，但趋势中有终结的一天，在趋势终结之前，会在价格指标上表现出不同步的现象。背离网反映了资金流进流出的状况，使用背离网可以提前让我们知道当前趋势是否有可能终结。在股票市场中，量价相互制衡，价格的高低影响着成交量的多少。成交量的多少验证并影响价格趋势的变化。六彩神龙主要将市场中的筹码分为3类：获利筹码、套牢筹码、浮动筹码，让资金动向尽在掌握之中。独创的3红战法让交易更加直观简单，大赚小赔永不被套，轻松把握股市动向，